Want to use multiple accounts in Roblox Mobile at the same time on your phone? I'll show you the full trick. Alright friends, first let's open the Play Store. Tap on the search box and type clone. From the suggestions, pick the clone app. Hit install. If you already have it, no worries, just follow along. Once it's installed, open it and give any permissions it asks for. Now, tap the plus symbol, icon or install. Now, search for Roblox or just scroll to find it. Tap on Roblox, this will be your first account. Alright, keep this one open, we're about to add the second. Tap the plus symbol, icon again and pick Roblox one more time. Open your first Roblox account. Once it's open, just swipe it away or minimize it. Next, open your second account and minimize that one too. Here comes the trick that makes it all work. Press and hold the Roblox icon. Select Open in split screen view. Pop-up will appear, choose the clone app from there. At the bottom, you'll see your phone icon. Tap it, and boom, you can now switch between multiple Roblox accounts without logging out. Easy, right? And that's it. By the end, you'll be switching accounts super fast. Cool, right? Try it yourself and let me know which account you play on first.